In this video, we showcase a Goolsby Customs built 420 horsepower Restomod 1969 Ford Mustang 2+2 Fastback GT owned by Tim and Cici Spencer. Black leather and suede covered interior, handiwork by M&M Hot Rod Interiors. Front fender and rear quarter side scoops are CNC machined pieces. 2014 Coyote 5-liter V8 crate engine S197 Getrag MT82 6-speed manual transmission. Custom gray metallic paint finish was achieved using BSF glycerate materials. Michelin Pilot Sport Cup tires are P265 30 ZR19s in front and P315 30 ZR20s in back. Detroit Speed Engineering suspension setup with JRI shocks all around and a JRI adjustable hydraulic ride height system. Advanced platings, brushed and bright chrome work. CNC machined badging, side vents. With 3D printed lenses by Greening Auto Company. The modified stock dash now sports classic instruments gauges and a billet specialty steering wheel. 9-inch rear end with Moser axles and a 390 gear set, with Greening valve covers, DSE headers, and a Borla exhaust. New-Tech wheels, 19x10 in front and 20x12 in back, and bare 6-piston disc brakes. Alumaframe quadrillink setup, DSE replaced the floors and mini-tubbed the rear for attaching the suspension. The back end is on the cowl rather than the hood, and thusly split into two pieces. Front end was refined with trimmed bumper ends and a custom front valance. Relicate leather, Alcantara, and perforated leather over the custom seats and all throughout the cabin. Concave rear panel is accented with machined bezels and 3D printed taillight lenses from Greening that neatly fit the curve. Handmade front and rear valance panels and side ground affix pieces. Shaved drip rails, tucked bumpers, and custom exhaust tips. Side vents in both the quarters and the front fenders were also 3D scanned and machined with GT logos. Bowler shifter and the new Goolsby Edge series pedals from Locar. Like and subscribe to see more videos like this in the future.